everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and category and facilities also. So firstly, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The hotel is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. When anything your room is available online, you can book them online and enjoy your stay. Deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various cleanliness and cleaning policies. The link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.